Hello, I'm Physics Man, and this is going to be a calculus tutorial by Physics Man Education. In this particular tutorial, we're going to be considering the x and y intercepts. The x and y intercepts are the points along a straight line, or in this example along a straight line anyways, that intersect with the y and x axes. The y-intercept intersects with the y-axis, and the x-intercept interacts with the x-axis. Now, both of these points share one thing in common. They both satisfy the equation y, when expressed as a function of x, will equal to ax plus b. Now, let's look at the y-intercept first. The y-intercept satisfies a second condition. The second condition satisfied by the y-intercept is that it must be on the y-axis. Along the y-axis, anywhere along the y-axis, all the way up here and all the way down here, x equals 0. So let's take our second condition, x equals 0, and put it into our first condition, where it must satisfy this equation. So, y, when you evaluate it at 0, is going to equal to a times 0 plus b, which of course is just equal to b. Now this gives us the point that is the y-intercept, because when it's the y-intercept, x equals 0 and y equals b. Now let's do the same to find the x-intercept. The second condition that the x-intercept must satisfy is it must reside along the x-axis, which means that y must equal to 0. So, if we take y equals 0 and substitute it into our first condition, we get 0 is equal to ax plus b. Now we solve this for x. Ax is equal to minus b. X is equal to minus b over a. Now this gives us the point of the x-intercept, because the first coordinate x is equal to minus b over a. And our y-coordinate is equal to 0. And therefore, we have found the y-intercept and the x-intercept. Quick notes. The x-intercept can also be called the root of the function. Any function, if it is truly a function, may have at most one y-intercept. Any function can have more than one x-intercept except for a linear function or other functions that can be inverted to express x as a function of y. If you want to know more about this, you can read chapter 1.1 from our textbook. I hope that this tutorial has been helpful to you. It's been produced by Physics Man Education, and I'll see you in the future.